J. I love this one. I love this one. I love this one. I love it. Interview Eddie Brown, Honorable Cynthia Mamley Morrison, a minister, gender, children and social protection. Meneno and train and come on. Honorable Tim and Kamima Kwaba. Nyamiadum. I want to do a holiday. Yamiasi. Constituency Suboko. Yamiasi. Well, I pay me from Boko. I'm say. Adwuma mbudi sim wani so emofra ye nuanom nkumkuma a omo school ene omampani bo a wo share se abane ebon homoden ama wo one hot meal debia no sa adwuma de no akoso kama a no ne esi wo sre so but ye saka we yem bisa se generally ekosen
that's omampani obi said you always say sorry
etefo joso
Obi said, "Oh, then my parents said they were more school fees than and then we private school. Then I should tell them school fees and my family paying the bank and my money down. Nothing there, COVID day. Or my paying my school from my family now was here. Now only not advice wasn't COVID. No one work one more bank information.
Honorable Adaroma, we there in say adienche, we sorry yenche, but say Oma onini muda hokakra maya.
Me advice person one of the recommendations I was the school form of Raman. On there work at the mom vendors in the school home bottom. Dwaso be a woman to money ban from the working system school every day, open school one. In the Odu area burn not just I be or send them of farman when years ban and tones. School boy from a bay 25 and I 18 put a water exam. Into a big crampon turn to bank a CBA or into reporting then and not sure do no new one source. The whole country in our burn report. Inti osha report na kasana na mo fi baby a banyede obodu baby na mo frama ni nyezi ban na mo frama pe no school teachers no school in school since I me cheche me dem ni dey obey the we are was so onam da wo na eziban ti baby a wo ma won eziban but every year special case vendors into mo cotton azi on COVID-19 inti ama obesi couple don from the school kwa enye show of mo koto no baba nso obi an button azi wo to nye bincho inti advice me dey nche ne ma mo eziban nyamina do my chat first 3 days no ye little chaotic Sunday school bro wa be your friend enyim mpo inti nipa nko akodo na school from be a work on school. In a few schools are in your challenge in there. School need a small school or JSS, why they is there 12. If one register and center, into number of virtual example, not the one at school be home walk or true. School no hasn't. But one register number one another school a virtual exam, which is legal anyway. But what catch your exams is our backup boom. But you need one data at school and walk out to exams because number one register for another school. If you are captured, you capture one and create banana, it's a school or the would be. If you are telling in an hour chair in first 2 days, then your report, how on your bill, how on your bill. If you Adom, president of the private school association, Yamishan, my friend, a member of bar. Secretary, not the list of when I was women and problems being our bay. Yamina do my thoughts and 60 years. The schools are 1 year banner, both private and public schools. Schools are originally no school feeding. No, one and a woman school feeding, only now with disease. Maybe someone of them was from 1 year ban.
Yes.
Or your school feeding caterers, my contract one that I don't know. yenyim woni din no won bibia. But because of the expanded schools and our private and the non-teaching schools that are in team, one may have a few other caterers at home. Go on a restaurant that dog. No, I volunteer about 1 million. He says, I am figuring move up from 8,000 almost to 10,000 because of a few people. In a school, you do one. About coincidence, maybe an Anglican primary area or 15 minutes away from another school. School for this 1 hour away from another school. But me on the best school in the number one team. Ketra or Ketra 3-4 schools, but on a smaller number. Nti Oria or the Bani Biko na wa team to go or yoki. Me officer. Me yibu krobia na distance no. Nti samekedo mankasa my class at school for them my caterers from the school food secretariat. You be mistake because school go better way 8 or the north side of the constituency. Another one or 8 over the southern side. It's number of different Kabuma. I may add a north and south together. It's Bano Connebelism. Sunday F taxis are for her and Sana Coco Pupudo. Into any on our Ozona coordinators Nazi. But a political. It's the for party fund for her. To be able to have a chairman be so public. Now more to the agency or a national assignment on your partisan. Into no more there. More teachers to be out of excitement. Why a form of one and all these things. No school teachers, all school students, doctors, so nurses, so market women, they are on a political affiliation. No, on join political affiliation. But out of excitement, it to me, you be at the end of the day, name would too much or you're called for. And see, you have few challenges, or yeah, form of one and not clear warrior. Indeed, or a form of one another. But more from here, would you want to have any?
Yes.
The teachers must them on their own here, they buy a form of one another.
But honorable, on that video, no, as a ministry, my move, a conso here.
Oh, a blue code was Ashanti region. In a coastal code was northern region.
I see.
Yeah. In the may form of an anonymous of family one show. Say in the form of an anampa, what area some sponsor campaign manana. Don't use me want to Abama. They use it classrooms in a way of politics. In that a coastal moon there, and Pete in the picture territory. My friend, it's an important to you know. Ntechioko woni me wonder watch no there. No, he has no idea. Also see what I'm intimacy coordinator no one. My background, but because only a list of all the cases. So the picture in who school I don't know. But every picture of it is no go. Honestly, a strong call for. They promote media. Need the banner picked up better. So, based on all years, just to tarnish the image of the pieces, or you shame on you Sunday when you have the papa. It's banana, no, why do you put his picture on it? Needs the man upon me and on for the picture. Man said, and now exercise book, and now chess books, every day, make coincidences. Me organize a mock mama on my own. BC, one show, one to Abba. The miss one to pay you. I'm our pass me in way 2 when you JHS, 3 SHX be no call. The Mancasana me mock number 1. Me this come on, what's the band? Me picture they chill. The customer wonder one come up picture and tweet. You know, I print in another radar. On no be after my make the Mancasana Michigan. Now miss one for exam. Even though Mancada won't for me to page, they thought they were doing that in appreciation because it has never happened. No, people may scatter the whole constituency of farmer 1 year more come on for free. Until next time, even though may be on, that was my picture between you. But I will let the general public know that this is what I am doing. That is a different scenario from is the banner.
Okay, but remember pockets of videos and pictures. There was another video very worrying. Abofraba you be interview na said Jollof was so watch you kitu be ati no robem na wɔka sɛ sɛ aduane wei 350 pesos wɔ fie koraa nte sɛ aduane wɔ bɛdi. I don't know sɛ wohu saa video no a.
Mehui na merɛ ho ɛsɛn kasa na abɔfra no kan. Abɔfra bɔsum akade wɔ mezi bani di osu a wɔn fɛ de nka mu. Ɛmi me run school. Yɛwɔ boys a wɔkɔ 3-4 round. Ndan wɔdan hɔ. Ɛkɔ secondary school. Ɛkɔ secondary school. Kyɛnɛ ni mezi bana wɔde man.
Yeah.
Yɛne nka close example. Isɛm nyinaa afuro mu ama no ma yɛ drama.
Honorable, your friend gas.
Your friend gas.
No.
Nti sɛ teacher nyin tina wanko school. Ɛsɛ teacher yin tina hɔ na abɔfra na journalist na fa. Ono so record abɔfra no so kɔ school. Onyima yɛdi wɔ school. Menka de ezibana wɔdze ma mɔpa man school de mo wɔyɛ ne yɛ dabi. Ɛma kasa me ne eziban pa. But ɔyɛ po me ezibana yɛ a ezibani ma na me yɛ ana. Onya man right ni. It happens. The serious meaning. Men pin de one way ezibana ma mɔfra ma ɔyɛ. De bia ma monitoring. Ɔyɛ po na ma no pa hwɛ do wɔn de. Sɛnde ma me ne yɛ ya. The budget contract ne fi ntel. But the school ya bɔfra be gyina journalist ni. The way ni tune na ɔsasa. No work at na don't fail him manamba. With that impudence. You could feel the enemy banana for food. It's banana was the money or bunny to other way in you. See your cadet, what you for constant marble fancy. As I hear, you let you sing in our sheet. What about answer questionnaire? It's banana time I was a bay. Do I was a bay. Or a down on your day. If you quite a column, I'm a spoof to the ones one song comment. Yanye on the margin too. It was part of Ajaye together with Chief of Staff, we were planning in a Director of Education war, Director of Health war, concern Finance Deputy Minister war. Or a part of the package. You see, my farmer will baby, I will back my Nyama also you with Vanu. Now was social media, Namin Jinawa, is the Vanu Jibi, say Jinawaka House. Sending in or you're wrong. But it's so open yet Gina take training in the casa only year. The terminate not appointment. There's our movie. Minka will be an easy bunny on a kind of mamma of one. Not be so late not to share it's bunny a corners in other band. Let the phone will do for pushing up on conscience. No one showcase my also bone. But being in a part of life into that my family open school teachers nationally to my my father you would go beer it's not baba one person.
Well, Honorable, finally on Indian Semi Waka say school feeding caterers no and amode one more a year Juma. But in the Volta region, there was a reported case of food poisoning at Holy Spirit Preparatory School, a private junior high school. Mitimi who say ministry my investigation student be 16 year or ya dom koto ayaresabia sa aduane ya a wamudi ya ma yehwehwemu Honorable.
In the Volta region, one the report me. In some of the on Yanokama.
I see.
I'm telling you, yes. Until anything, we are very. Minke journalist or any interview. Okay, I was asking, and the pay metro because my school feeding coordinator and Ankasa. Only no monitoring team leader or Volta region. Into every on Pedamak Mabutu and Nabi Binti and Nakasa handle that. But I'm telling you the truth. And if she's listening, she knows that. She hasn't given me any of that report. Into Yaboshe, my friend now, Sisi and my friend, hospital was I am Paga, was the number of my mama's friend. Because the man I said I work there, I have bought a northern region, poison apple, better than honey and I community. When we find out, I am Pa, Mamma, or young person,
that's fine.
I have been said, is the banana 1 million. Caterers, so you're very careful. We send them for politics. Anybody can do anything. Which must say, some of them are 16 now. What about the others? Almost would be announced school in January 16. You find out anything. You make sure they protect your members. You are so
Honorable, away from Indiana Seminole, Medicine Rahu see Kafa by Tiffany Mantum, a queer dente, about penning, the Pabonphobi, a brono, could you say, Ufrimu, and now they are two just say, about between a moafa, which camps, a hoodwono, and I'm on 2 bensa, Honorable.
Madam, say, and young man is unfortunately alcohol. Me ever start today, yeah tax force over start why sensitization na wonye benten and and already enya hin for na kasa yeni ya na kasa overload yeni ka say o ma yeni concern me yakọ bengula obedie boko bia yenya hin for ni na kasa menke yo ho nyina ho zini ye ekor install as ohima wo ho sisi ade me ohima wo bengula na ba minchime bobo bia ne zini meka da ya na hin for wo se na sini na yakọ ko ma wa ma yen oni srade obobo boyen ho pan na wa boyen madam linchime we fio nemu on what did there which is what did there wo ko fuso awo tuma wo extract them witchcraft which is no almost all kwa no wo purify one or two into believe wo baby and so are there mugu obeyezim if you want to come better MP nemo obiara ni wiasa owo tumi de otu jeni yankono nko ano probe because ono perceive the nipa ne anyen anyen mini lesa wo measure in bra yo beye speaker nakasa eda ye so parliament nakasa opening ano fam ni ko ye no meeting and san ahmo chimpo musana ye no man no consent may Parliamentary Select Committee on Gender, Children and Social Protection na ya kwai yanya yin takasa yeni kumban takasa ya yehuna in brand on spare obia
but ono mo bato me bawo eya me de se mo ni ahemfo no ene omanfo no mo ho ni bi etwetwe nkomo o ma gye atum se beye no de ewo ho ena o mo ade atodwa nso kwan a nipa bi wo ho a o mo gidi se wo mo tumi a o mo di tu sa beye no but masem bisa ne se identity and bia eye emma se mo bisa ya yes
wo tu me catch the benyin nezi what in the powers are or to be some catna community but besides the what in the powers are on to catna community and that's a shame in am being forced babies who did there the benyin before our powers are or to me done into a boy be or to me nyanku dina or to me do bonyama hopan that is their belief it's in obeni belief obey na sana believe jina national radio na menkedo oyampa ye baby believe in it won say memum me ma what chance ya the constitution na mpa wo o sofin on him bi ejuma wo ofenyi pa wo once asin wona wo da yin tin bi won say na so no mpo so when you good word aban wo tum the audio send the constitution and as well and out to them but need to be owo yasi o se wo ye fun ma o ye wo ba onu po eyi tum there the one second there about onya ba sa sing da o ya ban da ka ban wo tum do bo mo ban na mom trokoti wo ye mbrain wo tum stopping traffic light umbra wo ho de tima o ba tun it wo tum o de do na mom umbra se de nyi ho of what to wa ye be ye mo for what to in particular the area which opposite entum instead of be a big punty etwene safe no chrome another abroad so the brand ba ne fie ma me no ma wo ho da won ya shakwan we be integrate one into society o sene the me brain you wa in the egu campaign okonu chrome etina wo bobro o sende e banum po a onye no ma meet no chrome back camp won okọ back what one do so what Bruno was in the hospital. If you're back, you're better with him. You send a few going before and answer. If you don't go one number, no one ever seen one of the one for. In the answer, I've done by the member. Says ya, Savannah Watson task force. In the MBN in our battle task force, I'm not before, but I will you. In
fact, Honorable Savannah, yeah, about to the recent one, Sumbini Savannah region, Mamia, it just says chainsaw, and ye did edini them now, shame for the cry. Honorable Massam Bisani say, Sa Anamoya Mutui, and Yana Monfufro, Mekaya, Nano Yelita, na peso, wakonya mebikura de kobubu sa which comes in because Madam Otiko Jaba so ebeye bi this time around Diane Yababe no sonko differently ma yetumi succeed
and then come back at the etty the ho ebotu me kobubu dan egu na so nipa ni na owo ho ni brebi enyo wori check na obegudu ayemo osanda wonye nipa tembrenti a won we agene fika so kanandazi worba wo ye o ma mi po ye benyin po eji mi na no ebogun but embra wo dem madam ko kusi a wa chon ya ni vigigi na ma me e den chanizin on wa ka san ni fun wo ka chambe wa ferin po osanda savana de itadame which time po yo into one ye dem to wo wa ya suddenly wa sha se worry dem na ni savana Kumasi osu adabraka dansoman otumiti okocha pon wa ka je nde na mama ebemfo sofu oka abofra na bozi eka nje na mama ne go otumisi wo baby a if ye am brana on for the northern side of Ghana or you for the whole country in bra all bobo for far what jibu na wo ya bemfo wo ho ban indeed ekwa bi ka to do ebemfo so ya all time message na all kan Osme being fun. Obviously, but they put them together. In one and son, and grand. You better make sure that if you baby, I want to or Hoyam Bia or Bibana or Bitwa on your hole. A corner over for go over you, Juma, what won't cook up a car, it didn't show the faulty, it didn't show but more on but says here Thompson made something. Oh yeah, baby coupe yani no yes go come. Mo wakani na when you kumbaniti. Ne dan wa kumbani bi dan wa wa trabo. Inti you look at you betum you improve one life. Leap on a wonder na immediately yakade. Leap is the World Bank no I that one side can or be the World Bank so you will meet today. The book of free na is about to leap go. I sure that leap is kaka pay be able to that to manage. No one opera what na go to after maybe your home. On one opera what to come no obi bi be nya mo nation na yema on so asachi. It may be kakra. Na on to live well until you better damage integration na. You better counseling or they tracing. There should be a working and sana. I'm a counselor, so the counsel victim nankasa in the look room and banan sankasa. Over to accepting. And your phone for by a dream day. Yajinat in Tombra. The Bushia dream the Bejinat in Tombra. This celebrity in the video. Obanian or Obi ambassador over 20 years.
Honorable, you better crowd journey, quiet befaso and casa, which comes see, quite be so, you better than in homes for these elderly women. Honor no, and quite be some more monty, quite be so, not a moment feeling comfortable. Better again, so.
Exactly, on an area, until we are, sister, any popura, also about them, my yanni on why, into next week, Merkel back, may I quack of the home. Be a crane, I got a kayako body light. I put the nation of what open power over the one temple bill, open match over the doing the million I tried to provide. Into even your father puts our own sock and one out commander wabla. May it soon as one. It is going straight to the women. On case you obey. Then social welfare for the monitor, but BB and baby to go straight to the women. Say money up there as a one. Yeah, for group there will be chairman one. Your bag will be an examination with make a common teaching their something recreation via when you are beji, when you are home, they warrior share butter, warrior woo, the minion, my money now, but one. Yama, menom, when you know, being at the jails, look for home. Being a hospital into a home, almost one in your bed.
And it's a sambre ya babitu na moya see year ebeyamra ebe regulate the activities of witchcraft and now so ya dear alleged and supposed witches he honorable na minja kwan
e de say yambra obi azana ba parliament ye won ko food bi a wo free north There will be my peace out. There was soft room. In I against that album. May I prepare documents about only cherry about being full by any base for constitution based women. Chesy Bonipa Hoban. Enjoy alleged witch and alleged wizard. On your straight blanket with an wizard because any minimum witch and a wizard. Enjoy your one leg today. Or the witch. Yes, consultation. Ideas is the papa. I'm not thinking me the margin and make change and a macho. Branham's after the one dream to Dabi. In Brabia, in dreaming. I saw about playing away. Let it be back to come home over my son. Why, in Branca.
Okay.
For now, they tax force now, over around. Now, why education, social welfare for amnesty, so they are ready to go. There were lots of NGOs that were ready to join us. Meaning, I am from Pasaka Craft. Because it was so what. You crown a then there 25. Or she baby about there 2 hours and it is another hole. It is very a task force. Not sure that maybe every area within the Nippo Crony the on yards out of the and I mean Adom I can't carry there.
I don't know na yen fancy her. Honorable Cynthia Mamley Morrison, Minister, Gender, Children and Social Protection, and you know, after train common. Well, for WhatsApp messages, 0556748029, 0556748029. Na yenjibre na yenkinkan and fama. Na say Bekaya. Jumtuni Sydney, ebon yom fufrobi,
Papano.
Papano.
Papano. Yeah,
media mentioned that and but abato janso say obiaje injunction the ato enyomono so in fact I have a copy of the injunction right before me ma menhwe na me hwe se metimi akenkan okay enti enie motion on notice for an order for interlocutory injunction on the release of the Papano video. And it's a Mameko Humanusam Nikofi Ajiko or Kasadema Abdul Ganiru or no no idea semino court. Go for Teninka.
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Bibiabo Code.
Yes, by the grace of God.
Untimin country on.
Not really. But I will be able to manage.
Antifafra fra my by na etimin komo na dwumtuni na ordinary dwene ni creativity atweranyum na wode title atoso mo how ne say Kofi.
Yes, of course we all have understood of the nature and substance of the disagreement that happened between Tracy Boachi and Miss Bell. And so we are of the view that Berima Sydney is taking advantage of that situation to, as it were, draw the image of the former president into disrepute. And as you are aware, we are in an election year. What is important is for us to ensure that there is sanity in our environment. And so we think that the best to do is to prevent the young man, and for that matter, Squadia Entertainment from going ahead with the release of the music video.
Well, what exactly are you seeking? Most say then say no no ma yembo mo person better say yebo ni baby and so artist no one on the management say amoni wo manya Kofi.
Yes. We are not against the young musician doing his music, but we are saying that, or we are against the substance or the elements within the music video. See, we have in custody the said music video, and when you critically study it, you realize that the dimensions, focus of the video that was produced is aimed at destroying the image of the former president. And so
Kofi, how?
Yes, like I said, it's quite unfortunate you do not have access to the video yet because it has not been released. In the video, you realize that there is a Land Cruiser being pushed by a young man that is dressed in a smock that depicts of somebody from northern extraction. Then again, you see a Ghana flag on the Land Cruiser and some other stories that surround of the disagreement that happened, like I said earlier, between Tracy Boachi and Miss Bell. And so we are saying that we would not allow this video to be put into the public domain. Let me tell you, despite the true known Barry Sydney is making around, throwing flyers all over the place in form of publicity for his video, they are making frantic efforts. They are making frantic efforts to meet our council for negotiation. They are asking that we come into an agreement with them for the video to be released because they feel that what we are asking for is less of what they feel they are doing. And so they are begging behind the scene before they are making the truth known all over the place. We want him to come clear. If he has balls, he should come clear and tell the public that he is coming for negotiations, and for that matter, we should leave this issue to rest. But for now, as it stands, our legal processes are going on. We will do everything possible to restrict him from going ahead with the release of the video.
Okay, so Kofi, if I get you right, it's not about the lyrics of the song, but the content of the video. Is that correct, Kofi?
Yes, that's correct. That's correct.
I see.
That's correct.
But I haven't seen the video. I mean, you have described the video briefly to me. But is the video animated or not? Is it an animated video?
You see, I do not want to go deep into describing the video because the matter is before the law court. I am very careful as I even speak to you on this whole matter because I do not want to be held for liable or held for disrespecting our law court. So we are saying that since we don't want the video to come into the public domain, we wouldn't want to touch more on the nature of the video because it is embarrassing, it is disrespectful, it sought to blackmail the entire NDC and for that matter the former president.
Okay, so then Kofi, you are saying that the content of the video from all indications is pointed at the former president. Can we then conclude that this whole brouhaha about the Papano is connected to the for the former president? Kofi?
Not at all. Not at all.
So then what is your worry?
Listen, let me clarify this.
Yes.
I mentioned earlier that the video seeks to draw the image of the former president into the mud, which in effect means that the issues surrounding the whole disagreement between Tracy and Miss Bell are issues that do not concern of the former president. And so why should somebody take advantage of that situation and produce a video to put into the public domain in bid to increase the volume of that disagreement? If you have a negative intent, it's very bad. We don't do that. Look at A+. He's a member of the ADC and the MPP, or he was a member of the MPP. But look at what he's doing. The People's Project. He's fighting for society. You understand? And this is what we expect our celebrities or our musicians and other people who are enjoying fame in society to be doing. But we don't expect them to be capitalizing on negative situations and then jump into politics and pretend hide behind situations and feel that they can use those situations to make money or increase the nature of their brand. We will not agree.
Okay, but Kofi, if this man in the said video that you just described has no semblance with the former president, I mean, I personally I see no reason why you should pursue this case in court.
It's interesting, but you know what? Like I said, I wouldn't want to talk much on the content of the video. But at the right time, when we reach the river, we'll cross it.
Well, Kofi, many thanks for your time. Since you have no problem with the music itself, but the video, I'll just leave you here. Then we have another time to have a conversation. Kofi.
Thank you, my brother.
All right. Enti Kofi Ajiko ekasadima Abdul Ganiru. Ono ena wode papa no videos. Berma Sydney ni papa no video no. Wode akwadan court.
We all baby.
Jim FM.
We all baby.
Jim FM.
Papa no. We all baby.
Jim FM.
Wait. Papa no. Unim no. Papa no. Yakisha no. Papa no. The Chadie. Papa no. We all baby.
Jim FM. 106.3.
We all baby. God can stop us now. We all baby. Hey, we all baby. Papa no. Unim no. Papa no. Yakisha no. Papa no. The Chadie. Papa no. We all baby. We all baby.
Jim FM.
We all baby.
Yay! Ghana do. Ghana. Berma Sydney. Sydney would have sent me back from home. Abranti. Now, my mini can be sir. Papa no video no. Are you ready?
Video na ready. Yes.
Ushutu no ka video no musem kakra kire me. Sydney.
Well, video in the channel can hear, you know, can hear any channel. I mean, some selected locations be any channel in can hear.
I see. Na papa bi ochese wo shefugu epia V8 ewo video nim.
Some of because video after enra na say na jotra video ne friend mu tam after enra
be ma gina ye mame nkomo no hu hia me pa nti gina ye mame.
Okay.
Hello Beme.
Yeah, mo
me tonka e gina hwa na fi ya kasa ya meet you.
Yeah. After Inra, and yeah, video director and your friend Mosambo, and I don't know Sunday, a copy mommy say yen check if everything be there you okay. Then there were some few corrections, and I'm kind of on sign yet. Until late in the night, and I some forwarded the final one. My I say okay, be there AFI. And she told just yesterday when a video here ready. She there are quite candidate meaning. How only video?
There's a video no emba out to cry. Emma will be to me a leaky. Will be a share. I can wasn't. Sydney.
You see, me video don't place and I said the video in which me leaky. I need to try video, and or you'll be a make say and I use you much. So I'll be surprised. We'll leaky video. It's another thing altogether.
And then say I want to ya mama kan show video ne see ma ummo ya the injunction atoso Brema Sydney
Brema wa
aye
yes yate but me no ka say asem no ka ni na see obian hia me emfa bibi enhye me sa say ya be decide we abro
o management so enka ensanka injunction bia
ya mu bi me journalist friend been of where the man as the military is in me best to club no for the man but me bro no me who had me who the team on night because sanya me who be that me court that if you for the man your lawyer your friend of Tasha Tafa or no capital partners you know law firm if you no study the whole thing or say me train me hold on kakani shade because so far some of our winning brand the yen change it could be another thing. In fact, yesterday, and he gave us a go ahead. Say, hey, you're making a go ahead. We can still premiere the video today. See, me, Papa, a lawyer, and that's all. Apart from that, then your kind of maybe when you see when.
Remember, Sydney, a dream man in a type, and no mono ankasa a decline etchy. Now for you, the motivation behind the video, yes, I said the injunction at two way. Sydney.
Bro, what's the idea? Part of my brand, you know. Normally, I'm in capture situation, and as a mood of the country at a particular time. And starting in May 9th, disaster is here our stadium. No, at the chain, Yaya Honyum, Aminikufi na yes, no. And over circle at Ranchama is here. It's 3rd June, and I am the birthday. The following day now, so they release to capture our mood. The type of people Kasa, MC Kasa, who say Okoka share. At the chain, I came out with something. It's the inspiration of this Papa thing, of course. Conversation and there course between Sister Tracy, Miss Donne, Canigloria. I mean, that's where I got the inspiration from. Not necessarily a seminar, no more kind, but they kept repeating the word and a papano and a papano. I mean, so many times you'll be saying the papano, but then as they kept saying it, a click me. So this papano thing, a bit a bit in Afra. It just clicked me, okay. So just one night, we went to the studio and I started saying programming PTO studio. One I'm essential lyrics and I really here. We capture just the mood and not a course at that particular time. So that's where I got the inspiration from. It wasn't something I said that planning years and it was something I thought I was just doing it for fun. And
now Obia knew when you saw as targets, new media may trafa, sir, nipa way important. Sydney.
But the Uti media and you know, Fapimina, Yaba, Control, Cry, Omunja, and Kola, Maya, and Omunja, why. This is a very serious way young guys know. Because said Uti your baby or now or girl or Timisha Penny, you know, with be level with your channel. Now, after I don't day, no to say. You other money, Diana, and shut down. So, young guys, look at some mouthful. It's the Papano representing some characters in the society. Definitely description and name or so in a particular obi. That description of the Master Papano, on your bolega, okay, when you're seeing there are some characters that society now. Sir, there's
Adom 106.3.
Just say I got the word, the same. Papa no a ringy, a clicking more for more conversation. But said the young master now no more canon and begin to be like I said, abroad.
Okay, but aside wow video no I want no management or just say Ember Bontin. One other ones on social media, animated ones and go faster that one of them. I don't want to atwase na one of the video. What will be? Sydney.
Oh, me will be pa and me. I think we can start fee. Me problem in your own start fee. Me have 2 letters as at that time. First, it started as a text message. Go for me, be one. Certificate say me who say anyamana ekoso we na. I mean. If I'm behind it, ninja. I mean, that Nambia. The letter, me email 1 letter. I catch me say, me call round. Na me could all those videos now. On the former president picture to tweet sharing the winning. Na me could yes sir. They will take me to court. So I say, I'm not behind those videos. Me my the obi father to so no. Me control. And I'm not behind it. It's back video that could be by out. I know my former video, we don't call me video no. On my cutting on the Nyama Frafra. In fact, they know me yem shame. And they called again to tell me that this almost send this video no man. And I'm saying, okay, what do they want me to do? And I'm saying they may release the press statement. Now me distancing me home from Sarway no. It was one Thursday, about 2 weeks ago. He released our press release no. Distancing ourselves from all those videos.
Yeah.
I mean. We disassociate ourselves with our videos now. They are using it for their own selfish way. And yet, this our press went about. If you later they test me and said, okay, they are okay with the steps now making it. I think they are for nothing. So everything was over. So say we saw some people.
Well, and I want also on background checks as to those who were behind these animated videos.
Right, you will be. The amount for you say, only yes, I am aware. I know the actual traffic echo with YouTube channel.
Yes.
Now, I'm the G's guy. Anyway, my far and who be beyond to me official channel, even my YouTube channel. I mean, it hasn't been effective for long, and I'm also using me video. So, of course, your call, you won't conform with that to. I mean, we know. I mean, going by the YouTube channels, no, we won't conform with that to. I mean, and a TikTok near more yes, and we know.
And she says, "Yeah, Bama City in 1 year, and so young Timmy Simu Pampai, MSF injunction, na near trendy social media and Kwana, will lawyer Ama who advise. Are you going to go ahead to release the video?"
But Mendo Casa says, you're trained by 12 midday. If your lawyer and my go ahead on because that's an okay, where I see my man the time kaka. Me, I don't know what is going on behind the scenes though, but you're so trained. By 12 midday, no matter when you quite release it. Because I didn't challenge job. I mean, this video, the whole motivation of this video, crying necessarily done ample. Because with TV, a more francophone. And it's been a while I'm releasing what the other francophone countries are. I have a lot of fans there. And I decided to do a very a more like a dance video and a small drama in it. Like a young tonto, francophone on Nigeria, starting promoting shows. So that's the whole motivation of this video. You see, anything can them say.
Okay, video na animated.
Daddy, a real video. Animated.
Obi smoke room. Ukonya V8 editor. Why V8 no? Send him mami sound. Why V8 na editor video no?
I mean, V8 your brother it's me rent TV, Devia.
No.
The question was it me rent TV the kuko continue ni mo.
And but I can't so rent say and I know they are
Well, me Kasara can never just some like can but I me to tell the truth. I mean, of course, there are V8 and they mean transfer there are some V8 in the video, and that is the truth. But the other ones I wouldn't want to confirm or deny because I mean, another thing.
Sydney. And I pay me say entertainment kakra. Say video na man for ho issue. Enti wa me sa kan we bia no bi kwa befu say nyawa. Enti de papa no obema me acapella kakra. Ana pay ya. Na one line ana pay ya Bema Sydney na we are animated videos no so ni ankofo I share on social media akofa asema be no so you streaming live or your Facebook page but when you Sydney de no ankasa eno no release ya kra na no nwanwa say video no release ya so nkofo no chese omo nsaka no so kra no nwanwa but that's all fine.
For the Maxi, also I give we were asking ourselves, saying for the behind this thing because you need the perform and finally, Maxi, me who didn't and who voice, I mean, so why, but I didn't take a whole way. I mean, with the video, I don't know how or James or no copy of video. That's now. We yet to find out from the video guy and I said, truly, mistakenly, why did this? Because a bear one pass almost was our video. No, a bear one we won't have main camera, but
interestingly, I'm getting Facebook comments, Facebook live comment. For instance, Dawood Hamidu, as CJ, please tell him that the video is out.
Me can't share why I say video is that.
Also, me can't share say video no. I will say, Emma out no, about out. Anyway. Okay. Where ni ankofo ede yinibi. Aso bi botwene. Anu ya video ba ku bi mo ho. Ni ami hwe sisi yi. Asa wo hwe white we drew Flagstaff House. Enimu ho.
And yeah, no. You see, that is the video now. I say, "Oh, Mukofa by my depressed way in the bar." No, my old video be a friend. Don't call me.
Okay.
Yes, I check. I released it in 2016. I check. Don't call me. How many of my pennies?
So, only my penny, Mahamana two way.
Yes, in that video, no sana nete. In your catch this video, no more than Yama Frafra. And yeah, no, in your video, no, and yeah, the ones behind that video, no.
Bema si ni meja kwan but acapella ni de o de bema me ne meti for
okay see papa no unimno papa no yehwehwe no papa no le chedie hey unyo bejo yese alanta obejo ti go lege obejo aha tingelengi obejo na ko yego yidia wajo
Jim FM. Very much, Sydney. Na Sydney. Obejo wono. I say anything. I don't know, but me for anga so wanum.
Bram Pacho say you are here to be maybe why you can say.
Lumba dia no.
Eh nambi. Ewo asantime mu ya say no maybe why you can say. Ti dey fancy no.
Enti wo dia ne dia ne awie.
Pacho adenti o dey finti here.
Never seen him having down now.
That's it.
We all baby.
Jim FM. Jim FM. Jim FM.
Papa no. We all baby.
Wait. Jim FM. 106.3.
Papa, the chadie. Papa no. We all baby. We all baby. We all baby. Hey, we all baby. Papa no. Unim no. Papa no. Yahwehwe no. Papa no. Le chadie. Papa no. We all baby.
Jim FM.
We all baby. We all baby. Hey, we all baby. Papa no. Unim no. Papa no.
Ansa na obenye biawe no eje sika hye wo ho
ne speka wo pe
woni sika
enye nketwa
onya binwe o je say sidin waka say young guys no adamu nyina mu spokesperson
alanta
mama ma kan UMB controller loans na Emma sika na ode assault ho guess no ma ba na nhye ho forget you enkan slave for no ewo mu UMB Emma 150,000 Ghana cedis in less than 48 hours. Na ufie no aye dada no. O se man ba okura no mo fere. Ka no so aye dada. And they guess Camry and Benz ne Range Rover ni ade. And wo mo pe.
Papa no.
Into ka no aye dada no. UMB controller loan na ba 150,000 Ghana cedis in less than 48 hours. Na o de atoka afoforo. Some master's degree program no apese o pursue no.
Hey, we all baby.
On bet me aboa. Enti we asem da betodwa ede ema. Aban adwumayefo. Enti shani so na bowra UMB bank bi emu.
Is a wanka. You ready to slay? It go be.
Now no mo kwetwe enkomo interest rate no so da fom pa.
Yeah, papa no.
Emfa ho se wonni account. Ewo UMB.
Oh baby.
Akwenya no eda hodema ebi wa careful.
Oh baby.
What's the now pension? We are 0302 733 988 0302 733 988 and at toll free 0800 100 880 0800 100 880 and I'll bet you so no more din kita home WhatsApp 0266 020 400 0266 020 400 Channel so share kakra ewo ho anapanko mano ayede
Papa no
Airtel Tigo
Papa no
so Airtel Tigo sim anapay
Papa no
na
Papa no. Oh yo baby.
Yeah, Airtel Tigo money transaction. Kitwa bi enso uwie ya no dem busumi nsia 5 AM to 10 AM.
Oh baby.
Obeka sasa busumi ensia. Another phone no so and dial star 110 hash. Star 110 hash. Now if you want select option 2. Now if you want select free morning offer no. Now they are subscribing. 2 Ghana cedis pay. Now them 6 months of free morning calls. So go on buy an Airtel Tigo SIM today. Airtel Tigo money life is simple. When you football any DSTV
is a wanka. You ready to slay?
Emma Zappa decoder no for just 229 Ghana cedis per. 20 live matches on a given week. Yeah, you pay La Liga, Serie A, Champions League, Premier League. When you know DSTV Eddie Mount. Na 229 Ghana cedis no crown. Or reconnect here. They can 1 month access. And Sana reconnect on 45 Ghana cedis per month. 45 Ghana cedis per month. It won't pay up at the end. DSTV. Feel every moment.
No more is a wanka. You ready to slay? It could be.
And a payer non do and a Stambik special SME webinar, no second edition, no Airbus war.
Bull again.
Shannon so say it's here. That's so business agility in the COVID-19 era. Digitization and payment solutions, implications and opportunities. Entifa movie way for small medium enterprises.
The trade papa no.
Why on befa so sir COVID bremu ama wo munuma no etimi agina. Akasa for no doso. Ura achi hese a CEO Gibbs. Nafe Deridine Dazi CEO Ghana Chamber of Technology. Estelle Akofio Soa. West Africa Regional Manager C Square. And Nafe Patrick Quanson, Head of Digital Transformation at Stambik Bank. And before you end about Bekasa Jumedi no ESO. And if you any Stambik social media pages in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. Now if register, now on sa and can webinar link no. I also so wait me Edo ho Ashemubi. Channel so ayene ya wo 10 a.m. It's own register for link no. You know na pay ya. Stambik Bank. It can be.
Hey, we are baby.
Adom and what he asom na no asom na no
no so pa edu
get down mama Evans in Animal Dura Plus, where Dura Plus goes water flows, Tavia Herbal Mixture, your true and authentic herbal medicine. Latex from your partner for life. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Agbeve Herbal Center. Why are they if ye?
But Sydney one, Yodi Kabusia no.
Oh,
that ultimate now don't injunction, but to me say one so mammo. Hey,
then everything is possible.
That be good injunction, but to me say one so mammo, or dear famako, never got to me so. Now, Ade, now say I COVID by ya, or no be it or not, on Wednesday, one. Yeah, but for a boy, Sydney is so the papa no benos over every time I say, Mamma Moa, Ade.
CJ, yeah, quite a bonkrata no so. Na woni mami Cynthia kasa no. O se witches camp no onu bending. O se afa no mo de policy ba.
Be shemra.
Omo be shemra. Na Haji Ali ma pension no mo sha ase say omo clamp down witches camp no sa brede na omo ye.
O se sa brede na emre ni hua.
Na emre ni ho.
Be ma.
Eti ne ye na die ya nkasa ne ye.
No mu bubu no kwa sana mete na sia sana no wo kire se nti ye bubu no kwa no
na mra bia
solve problem no ana ti de boa
yes
sana
sasemu ye beka na chire na abushia di Ghanaian Times the ubonkrata minister no asem o kan ye no na da ha sei no se afein wo be hemra ya emam panimfo a ye de wo be fo ne wo bi se ye hwebani nkranchi ne ye kasa wo be fo se sani o wo se empanimfo e de mra na nhihye ye ba ebetumi aboa na abo mam panimfo mo ban e wo mayi mu obi nyini ne enya bibi amane ye sa beburu na ku no se ende enya de se eboa timpanimfo be hwe no washum na maminsi amanyosemu wo di Ghanaian Times mu Kofi Akwalu no wode atudwa anopai ene Kofi Akwalu nkomotwetwen no mobete was free university se mampani na nado so wode free senior high school aba wono so ba university wo be ko free bonto wuntua hwe etimi nimba bi a chese inspiration no ne kwan a wo be fa so aye de ji Kofi Akwalu ba se ye na no no wode drum euro so wo be yo was wono ne manifesto ye a wode ba ye no a better tomorrow Wachina papa and what dear banti LPG fue someha was in the Ghana for Monsonitina Monson and 9 no the free university eba ena na ekwadu agema Rollins so nyame ya domo a NDP amanyoko no wo se wo china ene eda memenda wonu mu kɔ conference na wo kɔ no eyenta ebohu mienu ni edika na ekwadu agema Rollins wo be so ne nsa ama ne nsa so se waye bold be bold wono an wo be se di NDP amanyoko nanim etu okoma ne nsa so wo wi a na nsem bi e ha amanyoko no so odi atopono so asini koso ntu nya Ghanaian Times a nsem bi ewo mu akua
Memfa daily graphic truth accuracy every day memfa ento also na anopai sofa be de kira wo hwe omasi kasem so Charles Adubu ahena ne mfoni edanim hasen asem a wode tudwa no ene se na san covid eba ye wo man no esikasem ene wo man no eka twitwiri di a wo man no edi ankasa besia hodo a wo man no agye no eniema ensisi so ma o mai kra o chese ene ya ye kasa besia wo man na gye ene ehunsi hune ni tua ene ade no afi 2020 abra na wo mo ready budget no esise ya wo ye de ma eka ni tua ni nyina no eniema sintrase wose enema sinitrase kura nenka ohwa so obetimi etwetwe scan bia ma esanse covid no edi wo meni se preference antumi anye yenzese no ye hwe oman no eka ye de wo ha mu nchemu a apire akwakodo mu nchemu eduotwe enkron na wose enkopem se afim kwabe ye no wo mbehwa no matimi atete so bi entom tete so ane beduru ha mu nchemu eduoson ensia ho ba bia na chese ne wo matumi abomade kakra kama ena daily graphic esa abamane ese Ministry of Communications womo de ensama babontin esa nano Accra Court ekotena ase womo ni MTN Nsem National Media Commission ene MTN Nsem no sade womo to MTN for womo application bia womo etro ye etwene ye no asoye na gitum papa fese womo de womo nim se womo ntimi ntena ho ema MTN and dominate communication sector no ema ne nkoba ne se womo ene besi gina ye ebu a wose wo bi ye ko anase wo bi ye bibia ye gye no wose esa ekutia enwumeku akese a eka ho ema enkrato adwuma etumpon wo memu no eno nti asoye no emusoafo mame esla wusumfo ni da hase a wode atodwa se ensese ni atemu no a eba ye no wo mugitum o makoma to mo yempa
yemfa the dispatch ento aso na dispatch so na mampani na nado mampani na nado ese wo ka kire Ghana fo se wo ye nipa bia so ni hono mo betumi akasa medie metini si me 100% waso onye 100% mfonso wono mo na mfonso ye wono ho no enye bi ene se wo ye kasa wuduo mu nyimu wase mfonso e wono se obi beka se o nanado de wo pewe mu asem wo pewe mu sa mfonso nde bi ni ne ho eti wasrada wo mo ade nenam ena nanado ye nyimu ena framantam no mpese nipa e wo wono betwere ni no wase da bi emra ene wo se ye adwuma e wo mayimu na sinje swafo ya semo ana meka no so oba the dispatch mu a was closing down which comes is impossible gender minister impossible na Ghanaian Times so dia tum say was say or mo the policy ba be tutum
graphic ekran so asa carry the same way say they will Ghanaian Times graphic
ayo na dispatch dia was say gender minister say enye easy task enye juma emre se ne sector no beka se ye close down which is camp e wo amentifido eti chese so okasa ni manimu ya pombe tumi aya no oboa wo se omo afe no ombe dwene ho na o ma hwe kwan yo mo de befa so nti agya obi ani se ni osika cha ne de dispatch so de a wode eba na papa je o Togo papa je kwa ye wo Togo
na se ani obeba ansa na wo kena ya ma na yire nsa so no
wo so wo ho
ene na wotwe activities ne bedoso NDP fo wie wo kena ene memre da na adwada NDC fo nso so na manifesto ho ene eze amanyasem no emu ba ehye
na Kofi Akpalusi free university
obetumi o abra sister adan dine din obetumi
obi a sa bre no a yes won fa ni sika mra me wo metua ne won fa band draft mra wo lecture commission to hono mo ene ye hweso di sika gu bag mu e de abade nso nim se nye no ne ye masa
ada be say ne we no se wo de Ghana sika na ebe ye nye onu ne bottom sika njuwe enye sika se gu bag mu eye
ebi abuachu ayadom na ekwe tampo masafo adu na me no mase mo twem so
na sit ne nyom no
mo twem so
nyom no video no de ye hwe ni mu e de ya e wo se ye bom na nkrofo no de asem no kokot ne sije kakra make ne say ase wo mo ye former president Mahama more harm than good if we say me na wotwe etwa mu ne na wotwe ase ne nka asija no edum kakra ene mo asa akofa be ana eno so ye Sydney strategy wode promote
ne nyum no
video no ade no yanwene ho tutu
Yam fast Dano Madura Plus, where Madura Plus goes water flows, Tabia Herbal Mixture, your true and authentic herbal medicine. Latex from your partner for life. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Nafi Agbeve Herbal Center. Why are you, if you in Mukradorma and you did a one craton on Naposo. Yeah. You know, me found Cramau. Cobblestone saying, when you are at Tosopa. And say when matter so made them in the inter minim pa this time made them in the inter pa Alex Governor Stone Jerry Forson o come on cry and soldier Sese numero 1 Adom Sports page 1
Adom Sports number one.
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal my motherland. I pledge myself to the service of Ghana. I'm all my swear and all my heart. I promise to ISD our heritage going forward. I pledge my Meyaka. Me go to Meka.
Number one.
Our fathers, you are my. We are my. I promise.
Rise up and be a star. Strengthen with BX stars.
Yeah. Stay safe. Wash your hands at the running water for at least 20 seconds. Sanitize your hands. And please stay at home. There comes a time when we hear a sad and cold, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying from coronavirus. It's time to lend a helping hand. We can go on if we listen day by day to wash our hands and try to stay at home, 'cause we are all part of God's great big family, and it's true, the love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home, try to stay at home. There's a chance we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, and make a brighter day, just you and me. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day. So let's stay at home, try and stay at home, 'cause there's a chance we're making, we're saving our own lives. It's true, and make a brighter day, just you and me. Lord have mercy on us. Sanitize your hands and wash your hands day by
swinging, I said you Ramos, tackling. The way Messi, dribbling. Cristiano Ronaldo, scoring. The way Oliladi Olympics, Aboswa, also diving. Adom Sports, Mudieni, we're doing the listening.
Aiming for Götze! Mario Götze, 112 minutes! They find the way from president to pauper, from chancellor to the cheap seats. What a fabulous touch and take from Mario Götze!
The Jumana that you want to say. Everybody, Jumana da Mountains and Yumna Bokrana. Now you forget to say Chicago Grand to me. I was saying, so not a pay. Yeah, the Adom 106.3 any day, April War live on Adom 106.3 FM. I'm just phoning you at Tetri and over PMO. Our studio Hadia. Next DJ Awana, the nose mask, a chain Obi Brazia. Whatever had the nene bar, Sanso and Iowa 05, the champion man, one no any Timmy Chilo Muse MTN, and a yet network papa Sansa Yenoma. You use social media no Kobi. Ye to che Emma MTN. And you won't hear say about MTN won't say maybe. Hey, Ghana near what ya tun so be you know. Monusu, don't use no be more no one watch no so no man ho enchire no. Ye Zoom. Na you open the fastest internet connectivity. Now the nam yanum for me patcho MTN and ebe connect ama ene and also etime ewie pay at the amount. You say the diapa, you say MTN where it's for me. Mr. Share for mommy. O de samiti radio see esa o share nose mask no edema me na ewie pay and so edema come up and so elhonom. Wo mo tell me the nene a ye den komo no ebro amponse fa diapa. F-Pack blows your pain away. Eya no eko ama hoden apa na wagina na so pampe obehwe esi yo hene onka se ni age ene se dia wote da bi utu sampa hoden no e wo ho pampe no pe ma mintuche enfama openi eye BS tablet and wanonom ama ahoden no etimi ahyemu kana meslo onso kope bi nanom na embo apa ena nyame ya duma UEFA Nations League e baso ane we eye de toso mienu na ene o hwe the big game etoja Germany versus Spain. Big game at Barcelona. Betway.com.gh and senya Betway any one. Ke moving on cry nim say UEFA Nations League na ne na Asia se mesra wada. But man dey say onso betimi atwa. E sense Betway unya chankwa dia. Ubedi dodo amana koye enso ade ama we mo na kitema na pay ye de Adom Nsem ye de Ebrewo.
Adom Sports number one.
Okay, enti ma yansha ensem na se enfama anopay na yemomremo awo ensem no sebe a onso obehunu se de enkomo no esifa etie de enra after say owura osai kwaku pama P for P e say no utum say P for P no eye fa pama for peace pama for peace next was say asumye na wo pretty eti mesere wada ne ho nkomo anura ebeto dwa no ensem bebrebe na abakaya normalization committee panipa no woti akonwam Dr. Kofi Amoa na wadi nkomo akra yentie nkomo ne bi.
Well, we must understand and embrace that laws and regulations are made for a purpose. And the purpose of those laws and regulations is to bring orderliness, discipline, and sanity to any organization. And therefore, you are an expert in football. You look around the world, you see that all football nations and their clubs abide by the regulations and the statutes of FIFA. Here in our country, I'm very sorry to say this, and there's a reason why we play this game for over 100 years, and we don't seem to be making progress. And I think you, my brothers in the media fraternity, must help us to have this thing sinking deep into the community, into the football community. that if we don't obey the laws and regulations of football enacted by our own Congress and also passed along by FIFA, we will never get anywhere. Here's a clear case. Let me use the Palmer case, where a football association, the Ghana Football Association, has debated, discussed, and enacted a law by Congress that to develop football in this country, any club that transfers a player will pay 10% for the money to be used to develop football. What a wonderful idea. What a noble idea. For organizations to sit and think that, look, our clubs are hemorrhaging. We are not getting sponsorship. Most of the clubs, the way they make money is to sell their.
Next way, and someone, Dr. Kofi Amwa, wadi tuja, wano enana normalization committee no, penipano watiso, and autise, wadi enchemo after say, final verdict of a year. Court of Arbitration for Sports. Womani shishani pa no openino wotime ede epaye. Na wabra nsem no ewo Court of Arbitration for Sports no na se lawyer penipa na wojiremo Edema Ghana Football Association lawyer na odofole noti na eno na judicium ewo Adom Sports page 2 so no yeri mami edi nkomo pa extensively wodi nkomo bebrebe ena tuja verifa adwumade a wobo edema efe no amane amankunimdie etime apanemom wosa echem se nkunimdie na ba ediama Ghana football esanse football no ena se etime efa ne ntuma pa efra enye sebe ena we swade a woso kokot ena we swade a woso de fa ni nyina no emmoa ema Ghana football no entime enkonanim na ade ba ko a oro se kokupa maye ya enam so emene ensam ne ba no se du baby vetting committee man forms so won ko fede forms no papa ekosisi mo eme ebisa ne se forms ni mu no yebisa se ampasa wo ton player bia wan tuaka na wan tax no amfama F no forms no so de what take yes na mo do time a yede ne kwetena panifonim na wo ne kasa no na se no yebisa na wo se da bi sansem no enu ho e mo control letter apology letter e de baye ama ende dodo na na eka wo monten se ase papa no kra ne forms no enyo no ankasa na fede ye ate se de ho nsem bebrebe ena dia ba ne nyam no na odofole note e de nsem we ena wodi jaye enra anadu jasu.
For me, I was a little taken aback by the commentary being run in the media because clearly it was without recourse to the documents and the arguments before the CAF panel. But today, well, it's here and it is what it is. So I did not expect any other outcome anyway. But who am I? What do I know? There were two cases. There was one for the media and there was the one that was before CAF. For me, the one in the media, there was no point responding because clearly, I don't know who was going to give me a ruling. You know what? CAF has spoken, and as the other side have always told us, we must respect the CAF ruling. Let's all keep quiet. Thank God that there's finality to this nightmare. Of course, for me, the good thing is the decisions of the normalization committee, the chickens have come home to roost.
We any sama lawyer na odofole note eno na jo ewo de eye dwumedi ekoso ewa ha Adom Sports page 2 ena wode nsem etu gya wo bra ye ne edi nkomo ena wo cheche mo kama ehonom no ye momro mo ewa so ye hwe mbabuno ene agudie ensem so onopo azikwame sama ene da no nyame ya Adom akina ya beto gya ne se wo ko akohwe ama eye nkoko stadium no so no ye timi akokate sort sebe ya adwuma be se de ne pa already watimi airport ama stadium outdoor ena ekoso ewo mamu enei wose adu nkoko so ntiachina ye nyina ye botwi ne abotrada akopiem ewo nkoko umpo na se ho ene ye akɔhwe madwumede no atimi akonkan wakasa ede fa ho wose football no enche ebesa ababa kintenei obi anka na kuma emfa entune yem
yen she se de be ya ebe mapan ama football sababi ebe bi one fata se yen na you put in place all the necessary protocols ebe observe kama nti many efefo no atwa na mo ya dum pepenso a enche pia se de man pe kan football will come back and you any ache you be no to any other me show mo so man pe ne de kaka safa yes me say show me say man pe means say enche be she pa say be tukon na ban be tukon ama football na sababi na Ghana funya ye ni asaje na ja agona say the na any jomo so no that's how develop no yi na ho to some of us say aban say they can say power say aban we provide intervention say be ma agona dey akona do what I say what juma ka say so we provide the enabling environment sports infrastructure ama juma ya akona do some catch on say aban we ba dey na ni abremo pa massive sports projects aye.
Nessa way, Sama, Honorable Isaac Kwame Asiama, Wano, and a da, a soya shambabno, and a good year so, and a nay, Warden Como, so to jam a day at Honsem, Mede Etawo, amount so who said ya, and Noma Esifa Etienne, so, na Yamu Ramon Fanasiano, and former MTN, Omo Ediapa, my MTN application download, Nafagu phone so, and Posefa Diaba, F-Pack, blows your pain away, and if a BX tablet, Michelle, Copper Droby, a Drobaqua, a bit me Abuapa, and no, betway.com.gh ubecha na unya chankwan so dia aba ubedipa amanako ye enso ediama seneso sende UEFA Nations League paso Germany versus Spain the big game live commentary on Asempa 94.7 FM na yede enso edia pro Lionel Messi eno ne papa ekusia basam perifo na so conclusion bia no entimi ambani nyane se Messi ai na je so obeko no kwa ne se opeso obeko me no ka se papa na kopiem England na England no dodo na ebusa se Man City en wo kwa na mesrew nyame ya duma nyumre ho nkomo bia so no ye be hwe na ye de eno so etimi edia bro ama onso ho sedia enhihye no esifa etie midin e de Kobe Stone okomankra bako amaka Ensiroja Edura Enyo na Iowa 05 Eddie Vromo live our Facebook page no and afe eyempo kra no Sergio Manucho enso kruche nsem no Eddie Emam nyame atuma enyumre obesa atien